In this project, we have used power blocks, sonar blocks and the buzzer. There are two drums on our Witblox sonar. The transmitter drum continuously transmits coded sound in the forward direction. Whenever an obstacle comes in front of the sound wave, it gets reflected. After reflection, this coded sound wave is detected by the receiver drum. The sonar blocks analyzes this received sound and turns on the buzzer. The knob on the sonar can set the range of the obstacle detected. So using sonar blocks, you can detect obstacles up to a distance of 2 meters.